Hello, good morning mga kabuchi. Welcome to our channel. So, thank you for subscribing to our channel. We're currently at 600 subscribers for 2 weeks now. So, thank you for staying in my channel. And then, today we'll have our garden update. We are on week 31 of year 2024. Shout out gold medal Philippines in Paris Olympic courtesy of Carlos Yolo on his very excellent artistic floor exercise. So mga kabuchi, this is now how our kangkong are growing. There are some parts where the kangkong did not germinate, like in this area mga kabuchi. And then I think we are doing now, mga kabuchi, that we remove some of our, the net, the garden net, mga kabuchi. And here is, that's not part of our garden, mga kabuchi. Saan naman itong garden, usurp man. But it's okay, mga kabuchi. So our ampalaya, mga kabuchi, are here climbing. But they don't bear fruits. Oh, I'm seeing a single one, mga kabuchi. So, last week, our trellis, mga kabuchi, falls down. Really falls down. And so, we tried to fix it. And I think we injured our ampalaya. So, maybe because of the damage, the ampalaya is not happy, mga kabuchi, and it's only giving us this single fruit, mga kabuchi. But it's okay. It's okay. Let's check, mga kabuchi, if we have some female. Oh, see, mga kabuchi, that's what you call female flower from our ampalaya. So it has to bloom first before it turned into fruit. So, from our kangkong to our ampalaya to our ginger. The ginger, mga kabuchi, I think I have to work, mga kabuchi, because we have to cover. Ay, mangaon pa dahil ni mga kabuchi. So, I will just finish the vlog, mga kabuchi. So, the ginger, mga kabuchi, we need to cover the roots of the ginger, mga kabuchi. It has to be covered with soil, mga kabuchi. So, we have to cover, mga kabuchi, so that the roots, mga kabuchi, or the tubes by tawag, tuber or something, I don't know, well grow, mga kabuchi. Pero kung ibabaw na kayo siya, mga kabuchi, it will be hard for us to cover, no? We have to cover it with soil, mga kabuchi. Di na siya dapat mo show. It should be covered so that it will still grow big and strong. I think this is because of the rain, mga kabuchi. Because of the rain, mga kabuchi, the soil eroded. So that's why we need, wala na ko'y makover. Ano niya, mga kabuchi? Gahit man kay soil. Ay, gitalatag ways to cover them, mga kabuchi, later. Because my sister is already urging me to have breakfast. Oh, I am very lucky, mga kabuchi, because they will just call me to eat. Diba? I don't have to cook for myself, mga kabuchi. That's how lucky I am. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. So, that's the secret of ginger, mga kabochi. That's not my kuan good, mga kabochi, ha. That's from our ancestors. My ancestors are farmers, mga kabochi. And that's what they said. You need to cover the um, base root of the ginger with soil. So I don't know when we are going to harvest this ginger because this ginger has been here for months already, mga kabochi. If you say 6 months, I think they are more than 6 months in our garden. We can check on our history, mga kabochi, when we started planting our ginger, mga kabochi. But I believe this we are already more than 6 months, mga kabochi. But we will calculate the exact dates, mga kabochi, using our video, mga kabochi. So that's the advantage, mga kabochi. Why we are really recording this video, so that if we need to recall some events or when we planted those plants, we can just check our documentation, mga kabuchi. And then mga kabuchi, another the lime here, mga kabuchi. So this is the lime, mga kabuchi, that we planted, I think 1 month na ba? I think 3 weeks ago. So 3 weeks ago, mga kabuchi, we planted the lime, mga kabuchi. But here, right here, mga kabuchi, I see a sprout here, oh. Ato. There are sprouts, mga kabuchi, but they are not yet turning into a branch, really, mga kabuchi. But I hope that this lime here can able to adapt to this new environment, mga kabuchi. Because I want the lime to grow up, and then bear some fruits for our kitchen, mga kabuchi. And so, mga kabuchi, we have here our lime. And I think our lime here, mga kabuchi, is quite happy. So as you can see, this is already the new branch of our lime. And then this one. So all in all, our lime has 3 new branches, mga kabuchi. So I think the way we planted, wherein we put in some rice hull to make the soil more saggy, mga kabuchi, and to make more rooms for the roots to grow easily, mga kabuchi, is working. Only this branch here, mga kabuchi, feels like this is already a very exhausted branch, mga kabuchi, or the plant provides less energy over here, diba? So I think this energy here, mga kabuchi, is supposed to be for this fruit to grow. But after we remove the fruit here, the result is that the energy were converted into branch. So I can now tell that what some other vloggers are saying, wherein we need to remove the fruit of the new plant, mga kabuchi, is true. Because the plant actually perform, mga kabuchi, after removing the fruit here, the plants grow more branches. So moving forward, mga kabuchi, based on my experience, it is really true that you have to remove the fruit when you are of your new plant, so that your new plant will be able to concentrate on growing new branches rather than growing the fruit, mga kabuchi. And then we don't want our plant to be exhausted like this branch, mga kabuchi, oh. This is exhausted already because I feel that before it also grow a fruit here before. So it's exhausted, and look at what happened, oh. There's no change at all. So it's like at status quo. So mga kabuchi, our lime, mga kabuchi, has a future here, mga kabuchi, though I am worried a little mga kabuchi because in this area, it's gonna be, when the rain is strong mga kabuchi. This area here mga kabuchi will be flooding. Na may nagtanong kilid sa kuan ugay. Kilid sa kong garden gitam na gay sa muka. Ay nako, they are stealing the nutrients that I have for my raised bed. Yes, it's time to eat. So time check, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. And look at my talong. After giving me so many fruits, it's now exhausted. Do I have to cut the branches here? I think I'll cut the branches of my talong later. So I'll cut all the branches of my exhausted talong. So mga kabuchi, this should be the end of our video. We're now going to have breakfast. Take care mga kabuchi. Bye-bye.